Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable developer options on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the settings icon on the right side, then open Device and Software menu, go to About section, and then highlight your TV option and click OK on it 7 times until you see the notification on your TV screen saying that you are now a developer. Then you can go back to the previous menu and select developer options. Here you'll be able to turn on ADB debugging and also allow some applications on your TV to install other applications from unknown sources. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.